welcome back to AmandaMuse. So I am just post-shower. Anyway, today, here's what we're doing. Day in the life. I'm heading into Toronto. I'm gonna be having lunch with Grandpa Muse. So that should be fun. Probably a little bit of window shopping because kid-free experiences tend to involve shopping. I'm also gonna be meeting up with my cleaning muse, Spongy. Do you know who Spongy is? Big thanks to Sponge Towels for sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. It's spring cleaning season. I need some inspiration, so I'm gonna see what Spongy's up to. So we're gonna meet up with him. And then, you know, the usual shenanigans that I get up to in a day, being a busy mom of two. Cool? All right, okay, so let's get ready. I may have you guys assist me with what I'm going to wear. It's either gonna be this little thrifted denim jumper, which to be honest is a little, you know, a little wide on me, but doable. Cute shirt from Zara with runners, or some jean cutoffs, like capri style jeans. Just trying to decide what I'd be more comfortable in. I kind of like this number and I haven't worn it yet. Okay, anyway, let's start with hair and makeup and then we'll get to clothing. There we go, makeup's done. Went a little bit like natural with the black, what's it called, wing liner and a little bit of a pinky coral lip. All right, so I'm ready to go get my purse ready, make sure the car is ready to go. Do I need a water, all that kind of stuff. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna get a quick smoothie in before I go because I'm gonna get hungry. Final decision, we are sticking with the jean dress because it's a beautiful day and I think it looks kind of cute with the little shoes and it's comfortable, so why not, right? Kind of fun. All right, we're off. All right, I think I see him, my cleaning inspiration, my muse. He's stopping traffic up here. I've got my buddy with me, my partner in crime today. Yeah. Haven't seen her in a while, she's been busy.
No, you've been busy.
That's true. Both been busy. Oh my gosh, I see him coming up.
Amanda. Hey. Yeah, that's so nice to see you. Nice to meet you.
I see him. Pull the car over.
Yeah, fun.
Guys, I found Spongy. I'm so excited. All right, Spongy.
Spring cleaning.
Yes?
Give me a tip.
Well, typically when I see a spill, spring cleaning is mostly with dust.
True.
Right,
True.
right. So spills are also my specialty.
Because the kids are getting into stuff.
That's right. And
Doing arts and crafts.
the juices come out, right? The juices come out, and then when you're doing the arts and crafts, that also helps with spring cleaning. But if you really want to tackle the real dusty, you know, the dusty shelves in your house, then using sponge towels is the
way to go.
best way to go.
So this summer, my kid, first of all, the sun is out, the kids are out. That's kind of what's happening. But we have a couple things planned. Maybe you want to like come over sometime?
I would love to.
I think my kids would
absolutely
love that.
Great.
Would you guys love that? Spongy comes to my house? That'd be awesome. I found him hovering early for everything.
Gee, me early? Come on.
You're always late, it balances.
It's a balance.
She is late. I was expecting.
If I tell you I'm going to be early and you believe me, that is not on me. It's on you.
Yeah, I get a point. Okay, all right.
Dad, you got to try this on. Come on,
Yes,
we're here.
I am.
Let's get festive.
Shades on,
here.
shades off.
Let's see who wore it better, guys. Okay, Dad first. Go. Dad first. I mean, handsome as heck. Okay, next. Can you even tell the difference? Same person.
Same person.
Same person.
I can't tell.
Same smile.
Computer.
I mean, who wore it better? You have to tell us. Tell us in the
Comment.
comments below.
Comment
who
below.
wore it better?
What do you think of sponge towels?
I want to be one. I want to have my own outfit. I should be there.
So you want to be one of walking around. You want to be spongy.
I want to be spongy guy.
What would be your message if you were spongy?
That's a good question. I have to think about that one. So there is just soak up life.
So I'm taking Dad and Patra. Hey Patra. We're celebrating for one. It's Patra's last day of school. How do you feel about this?
I feel amazing. I wrote my last exam of college
Bam! Yeah, you did. Amazing. And Dad just lost 6 pounds. Amazing too. I got nothing. I'm trying to think. Killing it. I did a winged eyeliner. True. Matches.
You were dancing with guys in white suits and white outfits.
It's true, I was.
Onesies.
That way, it's kind of like, where
Onesies.
was she? True. And they were padded. Oh, Amanda. I mean, look at that. Oh my God. Bam. Bam. Do you think Dad's all good?
Yeah, it does. Very nice.
We tend to go for these. Patra, it's like our meal.
It is. It's our thing.
It's our lunch date. It's like a deconstructed sushi roll, and it's delicious. It's really good. We do like a mukbang thing where you like, did you know that that's a style of video where people eat and talk? Yeah. All right, we're gonna boomerang it. All 3? Yeah. Okay.
Boomerang? I'm using
Yeah.
I'm learning all this
You
boomerang.
ready? You look amazing. Smile. Go. You're so bad. You're like, they must be related. Yeah, it's like a whole thing. What people do is they'll like take a video and they'll eat and talk. And it's a thing. People love it. They do.
I think it's gonna come to the point that we're all gonna be constantly being watched all the time. Whatever you do.
Sounds good to me. No, I know, but there is a balance, you know, of like how much you show. Oh, you better
Wait,
get it.
I did.
Are there green out teeth?
You know what it is? It's like the little sesame seeds. They come to me like poppy
Yes.
seed bagel.
Oh, I find it's the little stripes of seaweed.
Oh yeah, it's delicious. So what do
Yeah.
you think? First poke bowl.
What is the name of this restaurant? It's really good.
The poke bar, I think.
Bar, poke
Pokito.
That's cute.
Very good place. Highly recommend.
How did it feel to have rice for the first time in a while?
Hope my dietitian doesn't see this. It's good. I haven't had rice actually in about 2 months.
That's wild.
Yeah, you're on a huge, Dad's on a huge
Yeah.
kick right now.
And I-
To, like,
yeah.
is it a special kind of diet or is it just like a lose weight, eat
It's,
better?
well, it's basically no dairy, no sugars, no fruit, no juice. Fruit was hard. I love fruit.
Is it like a pre-diabetic diet?
It's a pre-diabetic diet, yeah.
Yeah, I was talking to a few people and they were saying like it's very common for people to go on these, and so you get a lot of success from it.
Yeah. I've been diagnosed as a pre-diabetic for 5 years. My former doctor didn't tell me. My new doctor looked over my old records, and she says 5 years. She's never seen that before, so I've been very lucky. So it's like,
Yeah, it's good.
it's a good thing I don't, and it's a good thing that I don't eat sweets.
Yeah.
So
But I eat
how much weight in total have you lost?
17 pounds.
Wow, that's like multiple versions of my dogs. They are 4 pounds each.
And I think
That's
5
like
pounds was on each cheek.
People in the videos have been saying that your dad looks so good. He's
Yeah.
losing
It's
weight.
funny. It's like I'm losing weight here. It's weird. It's like, I feel it here. It's strange.
good. Summer bod's on its way.
Dad bod.
I'm gonna have to eat them off this summer.
I mean, watch out. All right, coffee time. Let's go.
Oh my God, he's following me. Let's punch out. He's everywhere. Look at him. He's getting around Toronto today. It's kind of nice.
Also towel.
It's kind of fun just to like hang around Toronto for the day.
It is. I do it. I used to do it all the time.
Yeah, I don't. No. So it's kind of nice, just cruising. There's a little vintage shop I want to check out before we hit the road because traffic is a pain in the ass.
Yeah, it
Pain in something. So we're gonna go check it out before we go. That was so fun. Like heading in Toronto, meeting Spongy, getting to hang out with my dad. We had a great, even got a little bit of a heated conversation because, you know, me and my dad. Patra was like, okay guys, subject matter change. And then just like cruising the shops. So fun. I am super pumped for summer. Patra, are you ready for summer?
Yes, I am.
Like bring on the warm weather.
Absolutely.
This is my type of vibe here. And look in the background, you can see the CN Tower. Do you see that right there? That is a classic Toronto skyline. In fact, I think this summer I'm gonna take the kids up there. I've never taken them up there. I've been up there a bunch, but I've never taken. Oh yeah.
What's it like?
You've never been up there?
No.
Future plans being made today. Okay, up there is a glass floor,
I've seen pictures.
and I
of
am
that.
mean to my brother, and he was laying on the glass floor, and I went behind him and went like, "Boo!" Chris is about to peed himself. I mean, big sister win, what, right? But I mean, that's not very nice.
I do the same.
What did you do?
I'll be real.
He would have done it to me had he thought of it. He just didn't. Anyway, so we're on our way home. Hopefully we missed some of the traffic. We shall see.
So we left like, how long ago did we leave?
Honestly, like half an hour ago.
We're maybe 500 meters from the parking lot.
Here's the thing. We love Toronto. I do. I mean, look at it. You got the beautiful CN Tower. But the traffic, right now it's 3:15. I don't know if we're going to be home for like the next 2 hours. Like it's a good thing we like each other, put it that way.
I was gonna be like, you're stuck with me.
I know. So we're sitting in traffic. We got time to tell stories. So I was saying to Pastor, I think I'm a little bit adventurous. She's like, you think? So I was telling her this story. I said my claim to fame of like epic mom life was Jackie's like a baby in the baby carrier, maybe like 6-7 months old.
And he was thick.
He was thick. He was, I mean, you did a deep squat. You had to really struggle to stand back up. So he's in this thing. We're in the Philippines. It's pouring rain. It's like monsoon season. So I'm talking like not like sprinkling, like rivers of rain running down roads, like shutting down roads. That's how rainy it was. We need to get on a boat. It's a ferry to take us to where we need to go to our resort. Jack's in the carrier. People are gonna think this is bad parenting. Jack's in the carrier. Esme's on my hand. To get onto the boat, you have to walk on like a 2x4, maybe a little thicker or a little wider to get onto this boat. And it's gushing rain and we can't see where we're going. And I look at Dean and I'm like, I pray to God that this is worth it. And yeah, my kids didn't think anything of it. Esme was having a grand old time. Just like, of
course she was.
Of course. Of course. Isn't that insane? This is your get home outfit. So here's the thing. When you're downtown outside and it's spring, it's a little cold. My extra buddy's got cold. He's got pants tucked into the socks, furry slippers, layers required. I feel really nice and warm now. So it's quite nice to be home. And Dean's making dinner, so it should be delicious. Just sitting by the fire, getting cozy. It's so cool in the evenings, but we like to get cozy.
My blanket.
Oh my gosh, get your blanket.
Cold is on this side.
Got a little snuggling action happening with the dog.
Always.
I tell you. That looks delicious.
You know what I didn't do?
What's that?
I didn't put another veg. Oh, there's that creamy
That's
spinach.
okay. There's creamy spinach and carrots in here.
Creamy spinach.
Mmm. Is this beef bourguignon?
It is.
Mmm. Delicious. Let's dig in. Fluffy. Glorious. Jackie, are we twins?
Oh no.
Are you sure? I'd say. Are you my baby with your hoodie?
Mama, Pookie, I want a baby.
Boop, boop.
Can I get more baby?
No more babies. I'm not going to show you the rest of my kitchen because it's a giant mess. Wait. I said to Dean, can I just go sit on the sofa and drink a coffee? He's like, yeah, go do your thing. Can you hear a car running? He's just snuck out to get ice creams. I mean, sometimes you love your husband and sometimes you love your partner. Yes. What'd you get me? It's delicious.
Jack got the
Vanilla
same
and
one as
chocolat.
me.
I love these because they have the little chocolate at the end. Bon appetit.
Oh, help me.
I help you. And that's a wrap. What a fun day I am spent. That was quite the busy day. It was the drive home with lots of traffic that ended up being just a little bit exhausting. But you know what? To spend kid-free time with my dad, which doesn't happen very often, my dad and I have always had the best conversations. Whether we agree or disagree, it was always good. So it was so fun. So a big thanks to Sponge Towels for teaming up with me today and sponsoring this video. I had a blast. I learned a lot from Spongy himself. Okay, now I want to know, I know a lot of us are gearing up for spring cleaning. We're like in the thick of it right now. If you're like me, I need like tunes. I have my headset and I need like inspiring music. So if you guys have a playlist or anything music that you're listening to right now, link it below. I would love to know to help like get me motivated. Do you know what I'm saying? So I think that's it, friends. I'm gonna head up, put my jammies on, watch some TV, just like chill out. Do you know what I'm saying? Maybe a hot bath. I don't know if there's enough time. But be sure to check out the link below to HGTV for some more spring cleaning tips. Get you inspired. And that's it, friends. Keep it real.